right, Austin. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm not too bad. Thanks for coming out, bringing your STi. This is going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited. That's definitely probably a first gear corner. All right, so we're up here in Malibu. This is your territory.
It is.
This is not my territory at all. 2,000 kilometer drive away for me. And I mean, you've driven these canyons more than definitely I have. I've only driven like a couple of times.
Oh, yeah.
Would you say that you got this car, like you got into STIs and kind of all-wheel drive performance sedans and stuff like that because of the canyons, or did you always like them and then you came out here and...
I always wanted either an Evo or an STI as a kid, and ended up getting an STI. And yeah, I had it, you know, originally it was just a car that I drove every day, and then we started driving the canyons, and now it's kind of become what it is, and it's, you know, going to be full bolt-ons here pretty soon, full suspension, just got to get it all broken in first.
The whole 9 yards.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a 2018, like
2018.
Straight off the lot, brand new STI.
Yep.
If you guys remember about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, oh yeah, it is slick up here, some mud. I drove a 2015 WRX, and that was brand new at the time. And I wasn't like, I love the car. Like I've really enjoyed the car, but a lot of people apparently got from that video was that I hated that WRX, and it got a bunch of views and a bunch of dislikes. So it's really cool to get into a brand new car. There's obviously more than a few changes between a 2015 WRX and a 2018 STI. A lot of things different. More power, a lot more buttons on the steering wheel, better seats. What else?
Yeah, better brakes, bigger brake package.
Okay.
Different front grille.
Right.
Other than that, I mean, under the hood, it's still the same as a 15 STI.
Right.
So it's still different than a WRX. It's not
Yes,
the FA,
yeah.
But yeah.
Do you think because it's no different than a 2015 STI, do you think Subaru had more, focused more on the other things? Like, can you feel the refinement, would you say?
Yeah, I think the suspension in this car is really good. You know, I did have a 15 STI before. Right. And driving this car with mild suspension work versus driving my old car on full suspension work, this car is really good. Yeah. I really like the way this car drives and handles, and compared to the old car, it's definitely an upgrade.
And you've got an exhaust on it.
Yep.
An upgrade there. Yeah, this is a really good feeling car. I say this a lot, but I don't get to drive brand new cars as often as I would like, you know. But when I do, you know, there's lots of stuff to take in. You know, I feel like it would take you a lot more than the break-in period to really get to know the car. You know, I'm sure you, having like previous generations and kind of working your way up, know these cars very well. But yeah, for me, this is a brand new experience.
Yeah, these are good cars. I mean, you know, you could. The all-wheel drive platform, especially in the canyon setting, is you know, unbeatable.
It's what makes the difference between staying with the pack and really pulling away corner after corner after corner. Okay, so this does have different driving modes. So we're in Sport Sharp, I think, right now.
Yes, we are.
Is there anything you feel like that's missing from this car? Because from what I can tell, Subaru's had decades and decades to basically perfect the package. And now that the Evo's gone, this is like it. You have everything. Yeah. At least in my opinion, I think you have balanced power, balanced practicality, and just handling and everything like that.
Definitely practicality. We got the kid in the back.
Yes. Yeah, we do have a passenger, by the way.
Yeah. You know what? You know, I don't think it's missing anything. You know, I've debated whether or not, you know, to go for more power. My old car put like 330 to probably 350 wheel. I'm not 100% sure.
Nice.
You know, and then this car obviously is only 305 to the crank, stock. You know, and I've thought about going more power than that, and you know, but for what I do, this car is set up really good. Set up really good.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. I'm surprised Deacon. How well's Deacon's doing back there? Up until right now.
He probably dropped some of his food.
Oh no! Oh, it's not my driving.
Oh no, he's good.
All right. One of the best things about this car is driving position. Like, I didn't really have to, other than messing up your seating position, because I'm shorter than you, it's like the steering and everything, and being able to rev match and kind of like heel toe and stuff. It's relatively straightforward, you know.
Yeah.
It still is a friendly sedan, you know,
Absolutely.
like friendly to the driver. I feel like it's a very forgiving car, but it's
yeah. It's funny, I've driven like a Focus RS, and I had my R32, and one of the this car in particular, even better than the 15, has a really good seating position. I felt like the RS like kicked my legs up too high, so I felt like my feet were like dangling.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And maybe that's just me not being used to the car, but
sure,
you know,
yeah.
Then getting in this one, you can kind of adjust that so you can go up or down, so you feel like you're dangling more or less.
Yeah. No,
Yes,
that makes total sense.
Very friendly driving positions for sure.
What exhaust do you have on here again?
This is the Tomei.
Tomei, okay.
Yeah, and then I have Tomei equal length headers.
Right. I'll slow down a little bit, sorry.
It's only going fast around turns. It's weird. He likes to go fast in a straight line.
Of course, yeah, you gotta.
But yeah, I have Tomei equal length headers. I have Grimspeed divorce wastegate downpipe.
Right.
I have the Grimspeed ceramic coated up pipe with the external wastegate. I got the tile cube law valve, Process West top mount intercooler, Grimspeed boost control solenoid, and then Cobb intake.
Great.
Yeah. So
do you have? Are you getting like Cobb access port? Or is
so
that
yeah, I already have that access
okay,
port.
Cool.
Yeah. But we do Pro Tunes. I usually my buddy Bruno did my tune on my last car.
Right.
So yeah, he did a really good job. It drove really good.
That's fantastic, yeah. Yeah, to be able to actually upgrade like a turbo on a car like this and everything, but keep the same drivability.
Yep.
Like we were saying, like it's a very easy car to drive and kind of get used to. And
oh yeah, my old car, my 15, had the 1.5 XTR
right
turbo, and I'm debating whether or not I'm going to do it on this car because I also have injectors, and so
ooh, nice.
So when you do the injectors in the turbo, you get like 5 miles to the gallon, which obviously that doesn't matter. You don't build a car to get miles to the gallon, but it's just kind of funny.
Oh yeah.
So I think I'm gonna do it without the turbo first,
right?
And see what the power's like, and then if obviously if I want more, go with the bigger turbo.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
All right, Deacon's had enough.
Deek.
Yeah, thanks, Austin, for coming out. Thanks for bringing out your car. Hopefully, we can do another shoot at some point.
Yeah.
And
I'll talk to my guy who does my work for me and see if we can get it dialed in.
Absolutely. Yeah, let's do it. All right, dude.